look so fat ass. Damn it. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are wondering who this is, my little brother Don. Say hi.
Hello.
We decided to do the seafood boil, so hope you guys enjoy. Alright, let's do this. We got our scissors right here, just in case we need it. By the way guys, I'm gonna start. This is our sauce. By the way guys, I'm gonna start. This is our sauce.
Cajun seasoning.
Yes. Alright, let's go then.
Give me a piece of that.
No, you can't get shown, man. Come on.
It's my first time eating these.
Same.
Crabs. What's the name of these? What are these called again?
King crab legs.
First time. Let me see how it is. The hell?
Whoa. Do you know how I did that?
You've been watching videos.
Hell yeah. Okay. Let me dip it in the sauce. I don't know if you guys know this, but this lady on YouTube, her name is B Lovelies. She does this all the time. She gets the sauce, dips the crab in the sauce, and squeezes some lime on there. It's the best thing ever.
It's gonna be a lovely day.
And nothing is squeezing out. What the heck? You have to show them what you're doing.
They know I'm doing it. They know what's going on. Like I just dipped in some sauce. But...
Let me try this. Ready? Set. Yo. That's good. Wow. Guys, we waited a little bit too long.
Some good eating right here.
We waited a little bit too long because we have to get the camera set up the right way. But now that it's set up, it still tastes good cold, so it don't matter. The sweet one's good. Sweet one's lime, guys. But it's not even squeezing, so you gotta rub it on there, bro. Oh man, you kind of cut the inside a little bit. Oh shoot, that looks good. You don't want no citron?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Damn. I dropped it. A piece in the sauce.
It's gonna be saucier. There's nothing wrong with that. This thing hurts. Yeah. How long we're gonna take to finish this?
Not like no, about like
7 minutes? 15? Damn.
Take your time and enjoy it.
Man, the YouTube video shows that it's like easy to crack these open. It's not easy.
It's not hard.
This one is hard. This one is super sharp. Hey.
I'm a football player, so I don't really feel nothing.
Well, I'm not a football player, so I feel everything. You can't really see us dipping the sauce, but just know we're dipping it, guys.
Every time.
That sauce good.
Cleaned it out.
Boss. This is good. Oh my god. Mommy gonna love this tomorrow. By the way, we saved some for our mom. It was very hard to do.
Damn, I need some help.
What?
Cutting this up.
I couldn't cut mine up either. It's too small, huh?
Yeah.
So I feel like you're just gonna break all of it apart, man. You have to wrestle with it.
I know there's a good piece of meat in here.
Making you work that hard. Shoot.
You having a good time over there.
Hell yeah. Oh my god, look. The hard part is coming out. Yo, if you want a piece, tell me, bro. This is all meat.
Look what I got. I'm still gonna eat.
Yeah, of course. Let me get some sauce. Show me dipping it. We just two fat asses.
But it's good.
Damn. Alright. Yo. We should have had more lemon. Let's say this for last. Cause look at this part. It's gonna be nice. What the hell you doing? Dang, crab don't need no seasoning, man.
Yeah, it's just the natural flavor is just good. The smell is.
That's probably why it's expensive.
And if you're from the Caribbean like us, this have a very familiar smell that we recognize.
When we were in Haiti, my mom used to cook this for my dad.
Yeah, and I remember the smell when I was 5 years old.
All over the house.
I remember lobster, king crab legs, and we had a beachfront view. We live.
We live right in front of the ocean.
Yeah.
It was the life. And then we came to America.
This is America.
We're struggling to get $5 now.
Crab.
Oh, it's so sharp.
Riches. Oh my God, I'm not doing a good job at all. I'm over here struggling. You're just.
Here, get this piece. Oh wait, but yours look big, so you might want to have yours instead. Show them what you're doing. They can't really see. Yeah. Oh shit.
Just pulling the guts out.
Yo.
I'm not done with this. You better not touch my stuff.
That looks so good. But mine looks professional. Why is the lime not squeezing, bro?
I don't know.
Literally, the lime water is in droplets. Like they hate to pop, so you gotta you gotta do this. You gotta rub it on there. So you can really taste it, man. That sauce good, huh? Damn.
So satisfying.
I know.
I'm stop playing with these limes. Yeah, go squeeze that now.
I'm gonna squeeze that now. Guys, we've never been in my room together. Cause we have our own separate rooms, so we don't really like whatever. So I'm thinking like my older brother's gonna hear us in the room.
I ain't worried about him.
He's gonna be like, what's going on in there? They're probably planning something behind my back. Oh shoot, almost. I almost had another one. Oh my God. Man, this is good. Why is it going away so fast, dog? Dang. Those people on YouTube that does it with like a lot of food and just for them.
Crazy.
Imagine how much fun they're having though. They love their life. They don't have problems.
They do got problems.
Not during that moment that they're eating. They're problem free. Man, I wish I didn't have to go to work tomorrow.
Clean.
Yeah, I wish I didn't have to go to work tomorrow, man. Get that.
Which one?
The big one. Not that one. That one's for both of us. That one's way too meaty for one person. Get that one. Yeah. Exactly. Here's the scissors. Wait, hold up, nigga. I ain't never had that piece yet before. Get this piece instead. I ain't never had that piece. I never tasted that. Sure, you trying to be selfish. What the heck? Yo, I got so big. Look at my face. I got so big. I need to lose weight, man.
I just got stronger. Put on more muscle mass. That's good.
Are crabs healthy or not? Cause I know crabs have fat. And like some YouTubers when they're eating the crab, they take the fat off. I'm like, how do you know?
Take the fat off. What fat?
Yeah, it's like this white thing in the crab they take off. I'm like, what kind of fancy stuff? It's like it's what we're eating. There's some good fat.
So all the white meat inside is fat?
Nah, the white meat is good. It's a part of it. I think it's on really big crabs or something. I don't know. I never pay attention because I don't care. I'm never gonna do it. So I care about it. Dang it. This is my first time I'm getting it all gushy. Dang, no, you killed the lemons, bro. Hey. all your crabs are in here. Don't you like that the sauce is spicy?
I like everything about the sauce.
I know, right? Dang.
The sauce is just good.
Mm-hmm. Good to hear.
And this sauce is homemade.
Mm-hmm. It's really good, bro. I know what I put in there. And you know how many times I made this sauce before? Because this seafood was supposed to come last Wednesday. So I made the sauce, put it in the fridge, got it ready, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I could just reheat it up whenever the thing came. But there was a problem with the shipping package. And so, with the shipping of the package, and so I had to wait a whole week so it could be shipped. I was pissed. I was like, I want to cancel. They're like, you gotta wait another week to cancel.
Finally.
Let me see. Oh, show it to them.
Finally.
Congrats. Next time, done. Next time, we're gonna get more crabs, okay?
Of course.
We're gonna go to Sam's Club this time because the website that I ordered it from, which I'm not gonna say the name of, their advertisements are false. This was supposed to be really huge, you know? It's like a ripoff. Look at him.
But it's still good.
It's still good because it's still crab.
Mm-hmm.
But it's just not as big as I thought I paid for, you know? It's a little ripoff.
I don't need no scissors. I'm barbaric. Feels good to use your hands with these kinds of food.
Mm-hmm. Yo, if Mono watches this video, bro, he gonna hate us.
Mm-hmm.
Mono's my older brother.
He'll be like, they did this behind my back?
I made a YouTube video with him before. It's right here.
What you funny?
It's basically him doing my makeup. It's so funny, guys. Check it out, okay? I do makeup videos on my channel. Here.
Thank you, I love you. Oh my gosh, look at this.
I do makeup
This
videos
is
on my
love.
channel. Don't forget the citron.
Citron.
Citron. I do makeup videos. I do challenges. I'm gonna start doing seafood boils with this dude right here. And yeah. Yo, this tastes wow. Wow. Can you believe it, bro? This is
good.
good, nigga.
Real good.
Damn. I'm surprised nobody up knocking at the door. What's good? What's good? Let me get some. What happens when you live with brothers, man? You can never have anything to yourself. Like this food, I was not supposed to be sharing with him. He found out about it.
Found out.
That's another one?
Mm-hmm.
Dang, get some citron there. Citron is really good. Yo, I want to make the sauce exactly like this next time.
Yes.
Yo, this sounds good.
It's just perfect.
Wow. When I watched the YouTube videos, they say that the crab has a little sweet taste. I never knew what they meant. Now I know. It's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
It complements it a lot. It's really good with a lot of lemon.
My lips so greasy.
It's buttery.
The last one.
Wait, here.
Big Bertha.
Get some little bit of meat in there.
This This is so much better than the regular crabs you be eating.
Yeah, the regular crabs don't have anything, man.
For real.
It's just shell. And you don't even crack it open to get the meat. You just eat it. Eat the shell with
I just chew it up.
Yeah. You just drink the juice and spit it out.
But this...
Right here?
You get a reward for what you work for.
This is worth it. For this part, you can get half of this. Here. And get some citron. Here. You know, like, what's citron? Lime. Or lemon, whatever they call it. Whatever. Nobody cares. I'm not gonna let nothing go to waste. You see all this meat about to go to waste? You see? Alright. Time to open that up now. Big Bertha.
This is an arm. This is the...
Oh my, this part is gonna be heavenly, bro. Let me see, okay. So, let's cut it like this. We're gonna save this for last, okay? Now this part, let's just cut it in half.
You do it because you're good at it.
I'm not, actually. I do not know what I'm doing.
You're better than me.
Can they see? Yeah.
Look at that. No waste. No waste.
You never see somebody on YouTube doing that. They always be cute.
And you know when they turn off the camera, they picking everything off.
By the way, guys, it fell on my pants, so it was not the floor.
Yeah.
If it was the floor, then, you know.
We're not gonna eat it.
Oh, shoot. This meat is all over the place, which is perfect for us. One second, I have to show them the inside of this.
What is this?
What?
There's like these little things on the arm.
They're protectors, I guess?
No, they're not. They're like, they're soft.
Soft?
Yeah.
I hope that's not bad.
No, I don't think it's bad.
We're not eating the outside, so whatever. Okay, let me show them the inside of this.
Let's crab hair.
Look how much meat is in here, guys. Okay, so get some. The hell? Get.
Oh my goodness.
Show them what you got. Wow. That's all meat, guys.
That's a lot for me. I don't eat this often.
You said that's a lot. You know what I'm gonna do, man? Come on, man. Let's not be cute with the sauce. I'm gonna put my fingers in there, cause this is too little. Now that there's a little bit of food left, we could put the sauce right here, so you don't have to struggle.
Damn, this tastes good.
Take some more. That sounds good. There's that butter, spice, seasoning.
Everything.
No, my finger about to get stabbed, bro. Hurry up. I'm about to stab my finger. Wait, 19 minutes for real?
Time go by fast.
How the hell? How the hell is it 19 minutes?
I'm not even worried about the time.
Yo, it's so good with lime, bro. There's more in here. No, ain't no more. It's just white. Damn it! I hate everybody that's rich. Alright, on this special part. This special one. This special one right here. Oh, sorry. Ew, what the hell is this?
That's what I was talking about.
Oh, that's disgusting.
It's like crab hair.
I'm cutting myself.
Open it.
You fat ass.
It tastes good. I didn't know they had levels.
Bro, the things are king crabs. Basically made me waste my money, bro. I want to tell y'all the name so bad so I don't order from them, but I'm not trying to get sued at this stage of my life. Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. Let them see that.
Look
This
at
is
that.
all meat, bro.
That's a lot of meat.
It's a lot of meat.
What?
It's a lot of damn meat. I'm speechless. This is the perfect last bite. How do you think it's gonna taste?
You don't want no more of this?
No, we good. How do you think it's gonna taste, bro?
Like heaven.
Yo. And of course, you were right. Mm. I just want to drink the sauce. But I know it's not going to be good without this. Man. You left some meat in here for me. Thank you. Look at all that.
I was gonna go back for that.
That's it?
I wish I had more.
I know. We gotta leave the rest for mommy. Imagine how good those last 3 would be, bro.
Oh my gosh.
We left 3 for my mom. That's it? Don't ain't nothing there? You sure? You gotta look for it. Wow, you even went in here and took it out the little hole. Wow. It's good spicy. Anyways, guys, while he's enjoying that, here are some of my other videos right here that you guys can check out. Like I said, I do makeup challenges, and we'll soon start doing mukbangs. And mukbangs are basically videos of you eating things, and I just started off with a bang, obviously. Yes. If you guys want to see more of us together, let me know down below. And don't forget, if you don't do anything after watching this video, just subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one.
Straight like that.
Fufu, out. Bye. The video continues, guys. We found one. We almost threw that away, bro.
No.
Yo, are you serious right now? What's wrong with us? We're sick. We found another one, guys. Okay. You know we're gonna share that.
And it's a nice piece too.
It's a nice chunky piece, bro. Oh, almost. Almost. Okay. Okay, let me out for you right here. Damn, it's like we're living it all over again.
Yeah.
Thank God it's still recording. Yo, dude, you gonna be happy, man. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, man. Man, we thought it was over, boy. I'm gonna put the right amount of citron in here on this for you. Close your eyes, niggas.
Citron.
I'm gonna put the right amount of citron here for you. The perfect amount. With the perfect amount of sauce. More citron. Go ahead, boy. Open that thing. What you talking about?
Best sister ever.
Ain't good, man. Ain't good. Okay, let's do this now. Yeah, the meat is just in there, bro, waiting for us, man.
Eat me.
Guys, look at the meat. It's just in here. It's like, please take me. No problem. We got you.
The shell is light. I mean, all the meat just gonna come out.
Exactly. It's like all of it is already together. Hurry up. Hurry up. There's nothing there. There's some right here, boy. Now this is gonna be a perfect bite. Hey, citron. You want no citron? Damn, boy, you don't
Ain't no
know.
more.
Yeah, it's citron. You gotta. Yo, guys, look at this. Ready?
Oh my gosh.
Yo. Now this is the perfect bite. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Let me get some citron. 1 second down here.
You really gotta kill it.
Yes. Next time we're gonna have like 3.
I told you to
3.
grab.
No, I asked him. He said just get 1 and split it in foes. He would be a chef, a cute chef.
I could cook.
Alright. If you guys want to see him cooking, comment down below.
They ain't ready for this.
Mmm.
That was good last bite.
Now we can finish.
Only if y'all knew the flavors that's going on in my mouth right now.
This is Haiti right here. I definitely had this before in Haiti. Wow. Wow. This sauce is everything. This sauce is wonderful. Alright. We're done.
I'm gonna wash my face.
Alright, now we're done, guys. Bye. This nigga like, aight.